Well, I got it to start up. I ended up having some issues with my starter. I guess it was jammed. I had to beat on it a little bit. But anyway, it's seems to be running okay. And there's my power steering fix. You know the water fix is still going on. See if you can see down there. Got a little smoke coming out of it. Running into the exhaust. But as far as my fix for the JB well, good to go. I don't have a problem. No oil leakage, anything like that. My JB welded. I'm still gonna get it in. As you can see. Anyway, seems to be okay. I don't seem to have any problem. Everything seems to be. Now this is the first startup, so I'm gonna turn it off and then check everything.